Introducing the C-frame hydraulic press, designed for precision, power, and versatility in manufacturing processes. A C-frame hydraulic press uses a robust C-shaped frame to provide maximum support and stability. It uses hydraulic force to exert pressure on materials for bending, forming, punching, or stamping. Built with durability in mind, this press offers adjustable pressure control, smooth operation, and built-in safety features for operator protection. HMI can refer to any kind of interface where human input is used to control machines or systems, ranging from simple buttons and dials to complex touchscreen displays. A remote panel for a hydraulic press is an external control interface that allows operators to manage and monitor the press from a distance, offering increased convenience, safety, and flexibility in press operations. It is typically integrated with the press's PLC. It is easily movable at the time of operation without any interference to the operator. Lubrication in a hydraulic press is critical to ensuring the machine operates efficiently, smoothly, and reliably. Proper lubrication reduces friction, wear, and heat buildup, which helps prolong the life of the hydraulic press components, prevent damage, and maintain optimal performance. An air cooler on a hydraulic press is used to maintain the temperature of the hydraulic fluid within an optimal range. A PLC, programmable logic controller, on a hydraulic press plays a critical role in automating, controlling, and optimizing the press's operations. The PLC is essentially the brain of the press, managing the sequence of actions, monitoring safety of the machine. We use electrical switchgears from ABB and Siemens. Proximity sensor includes all sensors that perform non-contact detection in comparison to sensors, such as limit switches, that detect objects by physically contacting them. A temperature gauge with a float switch is an integrated device that combines two critical functions: temperature monitoring and level detection, where both temperature and fluid level need to be continuously monitored and controlled. The door access is typically designed to allow for the safe and easy maintenance, inspection, or replacement of the die cushion cylinder or its components. Manual mode in a deep drawing press gives the operator more control over the process, allowing for adjustments to various parameters: pressure, speed, and tool position manually. Auto mode can run faster and more efficiently, especially for high-volume production runs. Recap the advantages of using auto mode in deep drawing presses: speed, consistency, reduced error, and higher productivity. Highlight the role of the ejector in ensuring that parts are automatically removed after pressing, minimizing downtime and improving throughput. A light curtain is a safety device. When an object or person enters the protected area and interrupts one or more of the light beams, the receiver detects the interruption and sends a signal to the control unit. For reliable, powerful, and efficient material processing, the C-frame hydraulic press is your ideal solution. Contact us today for more information.